Hi guys, today I would like to show you this great application called HandBrake. This app is for convert your videos to different size to different video files, like MP4 or for and this is a new brand new update, so it's a little bit different. So let me show you how it works. I mean. I usually use this application for to shrink huge files and the greatest thing about this application is whenever you shrink your video it does not lose quality, so that's why I really love this app. um, Sometimes when you download few footages like 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabyte files or 3 gigabyte files or tutorials, for example, they are very huge in sizes and you need to shrink them, right? So this application shrinks it in a very small size, and plus it does not the loses quality. So I want to like to show you how it works. So here I have one footage. It's 190 and 2 megabyte. It's not a big file, but I would like to shrink it also, so I don't really need this size. So I just drag it here, and then let's see how. Here is the footage, right? Here only I touch this video menu. If you want to like to make it a little bit low quality, here's the quality, right? And you can put this like in 25 or 30, like 30. Usually tutorials, for example, videos from YouTube, I always put on 30, like this one. So that way video is in a good quality. So it's, but in this case, for the footage which I would like to use in my video projects, maybe I will rather leave it like 22, like it was at the start. Usually it's 20, for example, and usually it's 20 and don't touch it, if you want a good quality. So I would like to keep it in 20, and then let's go to summary, and then also before I press start, I would like to show you that it has all different like codecs. It depends which you need, like web for devices, Android app, Apple, Fire TV, whatever. In this new update they made it, but it wasn't before, but they made it. And this application is absolutely free to use. You can download it, and it works on Mac and Windows computers, so you can download it. And I love this application. I always use it for any my video projects. uh, Here's the format. You can change if you want, but usually I usually keep MP4. Let's press start and see what size will be this time. It's pretty fast because the file is not that big. It's only maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds footage. That's why it's a little bit faster this time. I really recommend you guys to use this app, and you will love this application if you're working with video a lot. This is great application, and it saves your storage. You can keep your hard drive and less trash. You can shrink all your videos and have it in good quality, and your hard drive will be always free. For other files. So let's see how. Here's the file. Yeah. So let's see what size is it now. It's only 14 megabyte. Remember, it was 190 megabyte. Now it's 14 and 4 megabyte. So let's see the quality now. Yeah, as you can see, the quality stayed the same. It was original footage. The quality is great, as you can see. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, guys, this is the app, and enjoy. Please subscribe, and See you in new videos.